Guys, if you own this little beauty and you just thought, man, the only way this could be any better if it was ratcheting, have I got a treat for you. Stand by. That's right, Klein went and did it. They made the Ratcheting FastBit True Grip. Here's the original, the one we've all come to know and love. At least I have. Tell you what I love about this thing. I got into the ball grip screwdrivers from, watching the YouTube guys on here. Tools and Tactics, Morgan's Maintenance. There's a plethora of them. And there's been commenters that you got to try the ball grip. So I got the vessel, and it was nice. I like it. It worked really nice. Got the one with the stubby in the handle and the whole get up. Loved it. And then Matt over in the always there commenter says, try the Annex. Much better overall screwdriver. I'm like, I'm in. I'll try it. So I got the 397D from Annex. Ball head grip, ratcheting also. There you go. That's when I was like, yeah, ratcheting is the way to go for me. And then this one came out just maybe a month after all that went down. And I said, all right, it's not ratcheting, but I'll try it because I like the ball grips. And it's Klein. I got Klein Tools all the time, using them for years now. Fell in love. Mainly because the grip is a little different on the Klein than the Annex or the Vessel. It's a more elongated, not quite as round. And for my big bear mitts, it seems to fit a lot better for me. So I'm like, yeah, this is the great one. This has been my everyday carry for 3 or 4 months now. First thing I go to, I get the Annex if I need to do a bunch of them ratcheting style. And this one, if I ever just need a straight screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, whatever, right out of the box, this one I go to. Downsides, it wasn't ratcheting. Also, another downside, this grip collar right here. Really light spring in there. They fixed that all up here. Let's show you what we got. 3.9 inch bit. Number 2 and 6 millimeter Japanese JIS Phillips types, and then a 6 millimeter slotted forward and reverse ratchet locking adapter. That's the key. Now it's super locking. Holds most 1/4 inch bits, 6.35 millimeter bits. Bits lock securely into ratcheting handle. They sure do. I haven't really had a chance to take it out and test it, but just opening the package up and feeling the different spring in there, and you can tell it's going to be a lot grippier. I've been walking, in between the machine and going around back, and I accidentally reached down and, not thinking, hit it, and it slips right out. I don't think this is going to be a problem now. I think they've cured that issue. And there you go. You heard it. Well, let's see. One more thing. The bits. You can put the Frankenstein mashup in there. Any other little Phillips bit holders, even the Klein flip socket set, which I've got them with me, but I don't know if I can get to them right yet. It's still in the bag. But listen to that smooth click. It sounds a little less toothy than maybe the Annex, but I don't think that's an issue. It still works. Your switch to change the ratcheting action is right here. One issue on the Vessel I noticed, it was a lot easier to just hit it and switch it right in the middle of your work. The Annex has a little recessed area with a kind of a little protruding switch where you can flip it back and forth. And when I say switch, it's manual. It's not electric or anything, so just so we're clear. But this one is similar to the Vessel, but it doesn't feel like it's, up in your way because it's kind of recessed under the handle just a little bit there. So, yeah. And the grip, same great feeling. Now, I have heard that people said it's a different shape and all, and I don't think it's overall differently shaped. I think it's just the way the ratcheting ring fits in there. And then, of course, you got the acetate style Klein look, clear yellow top But, you know, if you look at them front to back, it's pretty much the same profile. It just, the bottom, you know, quarter takes up the ratcheting sleeve or ratcheting collar, and then scoops down into the regular fit. The fit for me is what really makes these. They just feel better to me in my hand than the plain round ball grip that's not quite as elongated as that. So yeah, I got this one. I'm going to take it and put this one to the paces. This one I've already used to death. Look at that. I may have even tapped on there a couple times to, you know, but we'll not talk about that. So, again, Klein sent me this for the purpose of the review. And this is just kind of a quick overview. And the feel I get out of it is it's going to be quite an improvement over the old standard. Now, if you just need a non-ratcheting, nothing wrong with this one. Just be careful with your collar because it will. I've bumped it. I've read a lot of people bump it. And, you know, something to think about. Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna try it out, and I will get back to you on this one as well, because I got a lot to test now. If you saw my last video with the Klein tool haul, I'm doing a lot of work. They keep sending me stuff. Thanks to Klein. Thanks to everybody. I'll leave some description or some links in the comments if you want to check these out for yourself. I appreciate it, and y'all have a great one.